Basics of Retail Management. Your journey starts now. Hey everyone, and welcome. Whether you're a fresh-faced new hire, a retail student eager to learn, or even someone considering a career change, you've come to the right place. We're about to dive into the exciting world of retail management. Retail is more than just selling stuff. It's about connecting with people, creating experiences, and building relationships. Get ready to learn the fundamentals that will set you up for success in this dynamic industry. At its core, retail is the process of selling goods or services directly to consumers for their personal use. Think of it as the final step in getting products from manufacturers to the people who want them. Retail plays a vital role in the economy, driving sales, creating jobs, and shaping consumer trends. It's a fast-paced environment where things are constantly changing. The key functions in retail include buying the right products, selling them effectively, creating appealing displays, and providing top-notch customer service. Mastering these areas is crucial for any retail professional. Let's take a look at the different shapes and sizes retail can take. Each format has its own unique characteristics and strategies. First up, we have department stores like Macy's. These are your one-stop shops offering a wide variety of merchandise under one roof. Then there are specialty stores such as Foot Locker, which focus on a specific category of merchandise. They cater to niche markets with deep product knowledge. Supermarkets like Kroger primarily sell groceries and household items. They rely on efficient inventory management and competitive pricing to thrive. Discount stores like Walmart offer products at lower prices. They achieve this through cost control and high-volume sales strategies. And of course, we can't forget online retail, exemplified by Amazon. This format prioritizes user experience and efficient logistics to reach customers globally. In retail, customer service isn't just a department, it's a philosophy. Providing excellent service is crucial for building loyalty and positive word of mouth. It starts with a friendly greeting and continues with assisting customers in finding what they need. Handling complaints effectively and providing after-sales support are also essential. Think about Zappos, famous for its exceptional customer service. They go above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction, even offering free returns and exchanges. Empowering employees to resolve customer issues on the spot is key. A happy customer is a returning customer, and that's what we're aiming for. Efficient inventory management is the backbone of a successful retail operation. It's all about minimizing costs and maximizing sales. This involves tracking inventory levels, forecasting demand, and managing the entire supply chain. It's a delicate balancing act. Consider Zara's fast fashion model. They use short lead times to quickly respond to changing trends, keeping their inventory fresh and relevant. Implementing inventory management software and regularly analyzing sales data are essential tools. Knowing what's selling and what's not is crucial for making informed decisions. Visual merchandising is all about creating attractive displays to showcase products and entice customers. It's the art of making your store visually appealing. This includes everything from eye-catching window displays to strategic in-store layouts and product presentation. It's about creating an engaging shopping environment. Look at Apple stores. They use minimalist design and strategic product placement to create a premium brand image. Using lighting, color, and signage effectively can significantly impact sales. A well-designed store can draw customers in and encourage them to browse and buy. The retail landscape is constantly evolving, so staying informed about the latest trends is crucial. Let's explore some key areas. Omnichannel retailing is about integrating online and offline channels to provide a seamless customer experience. Customers want to be able to shop how and when they want. Personalization is another big trend. Tailoring products and services to individual customer preferences can significantly boost sales and loyalty. Mobile commerce is on the rise, with more and more people shopping through their mobile devices. Optimizing your online store for mobile is essential. Sustainability is also becoming increasingly important. Customers are looking for environmentally friendly products and practices. Consider Warby Parker's Home Try-On program. It allows customers to try on glasses at home before purchasing online, blending the online and offline experiences. Let's recap the key takeaways from our journey through the basics of retail management. Remember these points as you embark on your retail adventure. First, understand that retail is a dynamic and evolving industry. Be prepared to adapt to change and embrace new technologies. Second, always maintain a customer-centric approach. Focus on providing excellent service and building lasting relationships. Third, continuous learning and improvement are essential. Stay curious, seek out new knowledge, and never stop refining your skills. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the basics of retail management. I hope this has given you a solid foundation to build upon. Remember, success in retail requires adaptability, a passion for customer service, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories. Now go out there and make your mark on the world of retail. Good luck and have fun.